Welcome to another video. Today we are talking about parrots as a group, this time on NatureGuyX46 Presents. So first off, all parrots belong to the order Psittaciformes. I'll put it into the video. There are around 10,400 species of birds on the planet, and there are around 350 species of parrots and 370 species of parakeets out there in the world. And there are 77 genuses within this group. Now, one of the key identifying points as to who belongs in this order, they have two toes pointing forward and two toes pointing backwards. And they also have a strongly hooked beak. They range in size from 3.6 inches long up to 40 inches long, and they can live anywhere from 15 years all the way up to 75 years for some of the larger macaws and cockatoos. Parrots feed on a wide range of seeds, buds, fruits, nectar, and even pollen. Parrots and parakeets help the ecosystem by dispersing seeds, and some parrots or parakeets may also pollinate plants. This is a little peek at the world of parrots. Thanks for keeping it wild with me, Nature Peeps. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment or a question. Remember to never give up on yourselves and always keep learning. Live times are Tuesdays and Fridays at 7 p.m. and Saturdays at 6 p.m. See you in the next one.